The true foundation of complex surgery was laid over 2.5 millennia ago, not in London or New York, but on the banks of the Ganges. Meet Sushruta. Around 600 BCE, in a world that relied on chance and mysticism to cure ailments, he brought relentless, disciplined science. He believed that the human body was a masterpiece that could be repaired. Long before microscopes or steel factories, Sushruta observed nature to invent medical technology. He mapped the human anatomy in unprecedented detail. He designed 121 precise surgical instruments by mimicking the brilliant designs of animals and birds. His undisputed masterpiece was reconstructive surgery. Over 2,000 years before the world had a term for plastic surgery, Sushruta was performing complex rhinoplasty. He ingeniously used live skin from the forehead to rebuild damaged faces, understanding exactly how blood flows. His work was not a myth. It was a highly organized system of knowledge. Centuries later, his texts traveled to the Arab world, shaping the Islamic Golden Age. And in the 1700s, when British physicians witnessed Indian surgeons using his exact methods, they took the knowledge back to Europe. The surgical principles pioneered by Sushruta sparked a medical revolution in the West. The exact forehead flap technique he invented is still the gold standard taught in medical schools across the globe today. True innovation is driven by a passion to better humanity. Sushruta's legacy reminds us that the deepest roots of scientific brilliance and human resilience lie right here in the history of India.